I'm Jennifer Carroll, and today we are making sweet and sour chicken wings. If you're new to the channel here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more cooking tips and recipes. I am washing the chicken wings before I cut them. It's under cold water, everybody, cold water. Why I'm getting off any bacteria or any chicken juice or blood that they've been sitting in off of them. And now we dry. This is called a chick towel. They are nice, soft, like fibrous, like paper towels, super absorbent. And we use them in the restaurant and kitchen all the time for many, many different things. Cut the skin, top it to separate the joints, the bones from each other. And then you go back in and cut through. The chicken wings are washed, cut. Now time to season with our kosher salt and a garlic powder mix liberally. We're gonna add our baking soda. Time for the flip. And now we're going to let them dry on a pan that has a resting rack on it. So the air is circulating underneath and they get nice and dry. And I'm gonna go skin side up. Okay, chicken wings just dried. We are going to get our oven, preheat it on air fryer 425. And now we are going to take our chicken wings, put them on a resting rack, lined with foil for easy cleanup. Skin side up, spread the skin out to get nice and crispy. Ooh, too tight. And we'll throw a couple flats in here. Maybe one more little guy. This guy. Into the oven. Timer, 15 minutes. All right, so the whole reason these chicken wings came about is because Billy and I were freaking starving and we have been craving these sweet and sour, extra crispy wings that we had when we were down the shore. And we wanted to recreate them because we don't want to go back down the shore to get them, and we wanted them that day. So they were garlicky, sweet, a little bit of spicy, had a good acidity and tartness to balance it out, and we thought, what better timing than to use our black lime spice. For all those patrons that received the black lime spice, this recipe was made with you in mind. Woo! Very limey, very citrusy. The ingredients that we're going to be using is a date syrup, which is just like date molasses, honey, some oil to coat the pan to sweat our minced garlic in, harissa, and of course, lime, along with the black lime. You got it! Look at that crispiness. Oh man, I am so hungry. I want this right now. And now, 10 minutes. Let's get a plate. Let's get a plate. A platter? Plate. Very, very crispy, golden brown deliciousness. All right, I have mise en place for all these wings, but because I only cooked half, because that's all that fit in the pan, we're only gonna use half the mise en place, and then I'm gonna do it again. Let's go cooking. Saute pan. Oil just to coat. Get it around. Drizzle half of the date syrup on it. Move quickly once the wings hit the saute pan. You don't want the sugars in the honey and date syrup to burn. Get the sauce. Black lime. Squeeze some fresh lime. And add some beautiful cilantro. It's sticky, crispy, sweet and sour, of course, but there's that underlining little bit of heat from the harissa, that tartness from the black lime and the fresh lime. It's really, really good and garlicky. Delicious. Add more fresh lime juice to pop up those bright, sour citrus notes that I love. If these sweet and sour chicken wings are making you hungry, click that link below to get the recipe and show me how it turned out by sharing pictures with me on social. As always, a big thanks to all of our patrons and partners. See you in the kitchen. Memories. What are you doing?